Focused laminar flow for ophthalmology. Operio is a focused laminar flow unit positioned in the perioperative area directly on the surgical wound, without introducing obstacles into the zone. The technology continuously produces sterile air, removing airborne particles and microorganisms from the critical zone of the surgical site and instruments. The Operio focused laminar flow unit sucks in the air around the operating theatre and filters it through HEPA filters, cleaning the air of 99.99% of bacteria and microorganisms. The focused laminar flow acts directly on the surgical site and instrument table without being impeded, thus reducing by up to 95% the bacterial load on the surgical site and instrument table. The barcoded sterile cover ensures maximum sterile conditions and also enables traceability of the system for defensive medicine purposes.